as you
Mhm.
scale, do you need to create different divisions inside the business for each of those services?
Or should we have like one technician who does mowing and weed control and they have a certain area?
Um, I would not suggest the latter because it's super dependent on people staying around forever. And so it's very difficult to
Mhm.
count on having an employee stick around for months or years because there's churn. And so if you're segmenting it by, area and you have 3 employees and one of them leaves, well, now you just got to like figure out how do I route all these other ones and these 2 other people. I would just look at it much more like I get all these jobs and on a weekly basis, I'm going to determine where do I route them based upon the crew I have. Now, ideally, I do not have services that restrict me from cross training and scheduling all jobs with all my employees. The copy and paste model, when you have 6 or 8
Mhm.
employees, it's almost impossible if you're like, well, I have 4 services. These 2 do this one service. These 2 do this service. This 2. You create all these bottlenecks of capacity to where if one person, anyone in the organization leaves, I now have halved the capacity for that service. So I have 2 people doing mowing, one person leaves, immediately I'm code red because 50% of my labor for mowing just left. And so I would recommend much more of a cross-training perspective, unless you're going the GM Plus model and you're going to have 8 to 10 employees doing mowing, 8 to 10 employees doing treatments, 8 to 10 doing bush trimming and enhancements. That's fine. But until then, I would recommend more of a cross-training perspective because you're going to be able to, from a scheduling perspective, it's going to work out much better.